Everyone, I am Shweta. So my today's presentation is for Class 2 subject English Reader and the name of the book is Together With. Topic Lesson 1 Mu and Chew, Lecture 3 Part 2. This is the homework for lecture number 3. In the blanks with the help of words given in the clue box, and the clue box says chapati, back, divide, friends, reached. You have to take the help from these words to fill these blanks. Let's see the sentences. Number A is Mew and Chew were good dash. The lady threw away the chapati near the dash door. Chew dashed the chapati first. The monkey tore the dash into two pieces. There was nothing left to dash as the monkey ate the whole chapati. So this is your homework. Let's read it again. Mew and Chew were good dash. Mew और Chew अच्छे dash. क्या थे वो अच्छे? B is lady threw away the chapati near the dash door. Lady ने चपाती को फेंका. कहाँ से फेंका? Chew dashed the chapati first. Chew ने चपाती को dash पहले किया. The monkey for D is the monkey tore the dash into two pieces. Monkey ने dash को दो pieces में तोड़ दिया. E there was nothing left to dash as the monkey ate the whole chapati. कुछ भी नहीं बचा क्योंकि monkey ने सारा चपाती खा लिया था. Thank you and have a nice day.